When your plumbing is working, you never think about it. But when there's a leak or a drain that backs up, or worse, you want a plumber who has the knowledge and training to fix the problem the first time. At Agua, we understand that experience and quality workmanship are important but not enough. You expect and deserve a plumbing professional who's fast, polite, punctual, and clean. Because the best plumber is a plumber you don't even know is there. Agua. Call us today and forget about us tomorrow.